If you're looking for a vacuum that does it all, sucking up dirt, mopping floors, and handling spills, you've probably come across wet and dry vacuums. But with so many options, which one is worth your money? I'm Branson from Best Reviews, and today we're putting two popular wet and dry vacuums head to head, the Dyson Wash G1 and the Roborock F25. We'll break down their cleaning power, ease of use, and maintenance so that you can find what works best with your floors. And if you like videos like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a review from us. Wet and dry vacuums aren't for everyone, but for some people it's just what your home needs. They're great for pet owners, and they pick up hair and muddy paw prints pretty easily. They're also useful for families with kids who need to quickly clean up spills and messes. If you have a large space, they can handle bigger areas way faster than mopping. However, they might not be ideal for smaller apartments since both units are bulky and need storage space. If you want zero maintenance, these also might not be for you, as you still need to clean the mop rollers regularly. So what floors can you use these on? Well, both vacuums work on hardwood, tile, and laminate, but there are a few things you need to watch out for. See, smooth flooring could be an issue with Dyson since it leaves wet spots that could cause slips. Neither vacuum is designed for carpeted areas. And if you have sensitive wood floors, be aware that both vacuums use water, so make sure that your floors can handle it. Both vacuums are designed to vacuum and mop at the same time, making them more efficient than traditional mopping. But they have key differences in how they clean. The Dyson Wash G1 is great for fresh spills, picking up liquids, dust, and hair quickly. It offers 3 levels, plus a max mode for custom water control. However, it struggles with thicker messes like pastes, butters, and oily spills, and it also leaves floors wet, which could be a slip hazard and has been known to leak during self-cleaning and when left standing. Based on these struggles, its cleaning performance is rated about a 5 out of 10. The Roborock F25 has intelligent water control that prevents floors from getting too wet. It handles regular spills efficiently, but requires extra effort for dried stains. However, it struggles with edges and corners, making it less effective along baseboards, but its cleaning performance is slightly better at an 8 out of 10. For big, sticky messes, neither's perfect, but the Roborock clearly handles water better. The Dyson Wash G1 can clean small spills in one pass, but stickier messes require multiple passes, and the thicker messes can be really messy. Its battery lasts about 35 minutes per charge, but the water runs out faster and needs refills every 5 to 6 minutes on higher settings. The Roborock F25 handles regular spills efficiently, but requires extra effort for dried stains. Its battery life is pretty good, and it came fully charged. After about 30 minutes of use, it only lost a third of its charge, but its better water control means fewer refills. Both are faster than manual mopping, but expect some setup and refilling if you're cleaning a large space. Overall, for efficiency, we'd give an 8 out of 10 to Dyson, but a 10 out of 10 to the Roborock. If you're investing in one of these, you'll be curious to know how easy it is to clean after use. The Dyson Wash G1 has a self-cleaning mode, but it isn't very effective. The rollers still need manual scrubbing, and the debris tray is hard to clean, and it can leak dirty water. Maintenance-wise, we'd have to say it's about a 4 out of 10. The Roborock F25 is slightly easier to clean, with self-cleaning that works better than Dyson's. However, its efficiency drops over time, so while it starts off easier to maintain, it still requires some manual effort. It scores around a 7 out of 10 for maintenance. Neither is that hands-off, but both will require your attention. But if you want less maintenance, the Roborock is much better. Both the Dyson Wash G1 and Roborock F25 offer convenience and power, but they have some flaws. Get the Dyson Wash G1 if you want fast suction and strong power. Don't mind the occasional leaks or drying time, and maybe you're just a Dyson fan who prefers their products. But get the Roborock F25 for pretty much everything else. If you want better water control, less mess, need easier self-cleaning, and don't mind going over tough spots a few times. At the end of the day, the Roborock is our recommendation for the best of the best. Which one do you think would be a better fit for your home? Drop us a comment and let us know below. I'm Branson from Best Reviews. Like, subscribe, and check out the links below for more details.